Hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Say hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Say hello. Hello guys, I'm a wonderful people. How you all doing? I hope all you're doing well. Yeah, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be unboxing with you guys. Unboxing. We have a lot of stuff unboxing today, guys.
Like
we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, yeah, we've got like new things.
Basically more than 5.
Yeah, I've got this is all affordable
Prices from I don't even know.
I think this is from Big W.
Yeah, 10%.
So all these, they are so much affordable, you know. If you are like just renting, you are looking for something to start up with, like all these sets are so affordable. Okay guys, so we've got the kettle here, we've got the 12 pieces dinner set. I don't know if you guys can see from there. And we have this
2-slice toaster. We already have that over
there. We have yes, we have another one.
But I can do a second one too. And now we have a 15 piece.
Because these boys, they love their toast. So we've got another toaster. Yeah. We've got microwave. Yeah. Sorry guys, I can't lift this one, but when I open it, I'm gonna show you guys. We've got microwave.
And we got a 15-piece cookware.
Like
frying pans, stuff like that.
Yeah, and stuff like that. And we've got a lot of stuff that is not even in the camera, but that's okay. But we will just be unboxing this with you guys. So let's do it. Okay, first we're starting with this one.
Okay, so let's see. Oh.
Yeah.
Good.
This looks so good.
It's very light too.
Very light.
Very easy to carry with one hand. Wait. Oh. What's this? That's this table.
That's the table. There. It's just 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Huh?
That's what heats it up inside.
Yeah. So we've got this and this. Yeah. So let's put this aside.
Yeah, now which one do you want to open?
Let's open the toaster. No, don't open. We're not gonna open this toaster now because we've got one toaster opened already. So we're gonna keep this, you know, like store it. When that one stops working, then we can open this. I don't think it makes any sense, you know.
Just to have 2 toasters.
Yeah, using the 2 toasters at once. Okay. So we're not gonna open this today, guys.
We should open this one. It has scissors in it. Yeah. Use the scissors to open the microwave.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need scissors. That's true.
Yeah, and there's scissors in this.
You don't have to rip. Okay, you can just open from here.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, there.
Oh.
Wait, careful. Remember, this is
Oh wait, I see. There's a kind of like box there.
Hold on.
It's a toaster. There's a whole set of things in here.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, you can put it on?
Wow, this is so portable. This is what I call portable, you know?
You can cook your noodles in that one.
Yeah, your noodles, your little soup, you know, like soup for what? For one. Yeah. And they've got like cover as well. They have like 3 sets.
This is like when you like mash carrots on it.
Yeah. This is like the grater is too small. I think I'm gonna get a bigger. I've got the bigger one anyway. Yeah.
Wait, look, this is like a blue.
Yeah. I think this will be for the boys, you know, if they want to cut their.
This is like apples.
Apples, yeah.
Yeah, this is like when you like make your party pie, right?
Yeah, you can use that one for your party pie. Yeah. Whatever pie.
Oh, look at this one. This is really dangerous.
And yeah, don't touch it. And we've got we've got spoons as well. About 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Don't know. Hold that.
And we've got scissors in it as well.
These are very
As it says in the carton, it says 15
we have
pieces
like a knife.
cookware starter sets. You know, if you're just starting afresh, you are looking for something affordable. You understand? You are looking for something affordable to start up with. You can also start with this before going for the expensive one. Okay? Yeah?
Oh, I think the last one's a
Did someone fart?
Nope. No. Let's cut this out of the video.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I think we need to take this out of the table. Let's take this
Let's
out.
put it on the floor.
Yeah, you do it. Come on. You
Let's
go
do
do it.
it.
Leave this.
Oh, okay.
Who is farting?
Yeah. It's not me.
Just take that one to the kitchen. Don't block my camera, please.
Yeah, let's.
Take this to the kitchen for me.
What's the thing is that one? Where's the thing? Okay, take it to the kitchen.
So where is the lid to this one?
I'm plugging it in right away.
And you got like a fry pan, saucepan, or some sort of saucepan
I'm
or
pretty sure
fry pan
I'm
as well. Do I even need to put this in? Do I need to put this? No. Okay. Don't put it on now.
Can't you see? I just put it on for a split second. It was blue, not red.
Don't put it on if there's no water in it, you don't put it on. Okay? Leave that place up, Salam.
Wow, I can cook my French fries.
Can you take this? Hello?
Yeah.
That is what happens when you are unboxing with your kids. Yeah? Hello? Take this to the kitchen. Thank
The
you.
kids always like Jake.
And you have to put all this on the floor.
What do I cook this? Do I have to put it on the stove or something?
Just leave it on the stove for now. Hey.
Heavy. Can I open a microwave next time so
Don't cover my camera, please.
Alright?
So the next one will be the
Where are the scissors?
dinner set.
Plates.
Where are the scissors?
I don't need the scissors, okay?
In the microwave.
So this is the dinner set.
Let's try.
Easy.
Oh yeah,
Easy.
easy.
Easy. Easy.
This is breakable. When it is breakable, you have to be gentle.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'm doing so long.
Wait.
Oh, it says it's breakable. Unbreakable. So why do you break?
She said it's breakable. not unbreakable.
Why? Okay.
Just order. Wait.
We only need to show one part.
Can you wait? How many sets is
I'm
that
so
one?
impatient.
12.
I don't want to wait.
12.
Let's see what we got inside.
Does this really have to be for dinner or you can use it for anything?
You can use it for anything. It's asking me because it says 12 pieces dinner set. Maybe we mainly use it for dinner. I'm like, no, we can use it for anything, okay? We can use it for anything. Can you just...
Please don't break it.
Yeah. So we've got...
Oh,
I think we've got the small ones, about 3 of them.
and 4.
Can you just... Come on.
I want to take these wraps off. That's what I want to do.
Just calm down. Don't touch anything.
I am calm down. I just want to take the wraps off.
Oh, this is like a different one, like curved set.
This like a bowl.
Like a bowl. You eat your pasta and spaghetti inside.
Yeah, it's like a bowl. I love this because it's so small. Yeah?
You can just
There you can control what you're eating. Good one.
Yeah, I just eating that plate.
Yeah, so I think
get
this,
that out. We should get that in the kitchen.
yeah. This is done. So let's put this aside.
Oh, the microwave, the one in your food.
So
Now
I think the last for today. Go and get me the scissors there.
you're almost lost.
Yeah, because we've got a lot of stuff. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff.
Blankets, bed sheets. We're gonna
Check the dishes there, the pots and all of that, the tray. Oh,
Can I unbox it? careful with scissors.
Don't do that. Oh my God, Bambi by yourself.
What does that mean?
Not like that.
Yeah, got it. Then,
So someone is unboxing Mokhtar is unboxing the laptop. What is that?
Laptop. What do you mean? Microwave.
yeah, I got it. Can you just do the tape on that side?
Can you pause?
Maybe tape on the desk.
Oh.
Oh.
A microwave.
It's so loud. It's going to be very hard to carry out.
Listen.
Wait.
Wait. Excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
I'm really need to
I'm just test out. Hold it from there. I'm just gonna tip it like out. Like
Yeah,
that.
would you like to play with this rubbish right here, guys? They're like-
Leave there, Absalam. Are you pulling? Stop.
I'm just playing with it in the boat.
Yeah. And leave the camera. So guys, sorry, my battery just went off. So thanks for unboxing with us. This is the microwave, and you've seen the plates, the 15 set dinner set, and the pot, the spoons. Do we unbox the spoon? Yeah, we've got a new spoons as well.
Yeah.
But just to let you know, guys, this is just normal thing for you guys, you know, if you're just starting, okay? If you're just starting your life and you want something that is affordable, all these are affordable, okay? They're affordable. So thank you for unboxing with us, and we will see you in our next video.
Yeah.
Please, guys, don't forget to what?
Subscribe and like and comment down below.
Thank you. And God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.
It's been a long time since we uploaded too.